You've just won a cash prize, a generous friend is sending you some money, or maybe you're expecting a refund. The only problem? You don't have a Chime account. Now, you're probably thinking, no Chime account, no problem. I'll just ask them to send it to my regular bank. But what if I told you there's a way to get that money without needing a Chime account at all? Intrigued? Let's dive in. First things first, let's clear something up. There's no magical workaround to directly deposit money into your pocket without going through a financial institution. But there is a clever little loophole that Chime offers. It's called Pay Anyone. Essentially, it allows someone to send you money, even if you don't have a Chime account. So, how does it work? Well, when someone sends you money through Chime's Pay Anyone feature, they'll need your phone number or email address. Once they send the money, you will receive a notification. Now, here's the kicker. You have 14 days to claim that money. How do you claim it? Simple. You'll be given two options. The first, and probably the most straightforward, is to link your existing debit card to the payment. Once linked, the money will be transferred to your card. The second option involves opening a Chime account. If you're considering making the switch or opening a new account anyway, this might be a tempting choice. But let's focus on the scenario where you just want the money and nothing else. Linking your debit card is the way to go. You'll typically need the card number, expiration date, and CVV. Double-check the details before submitting. Remember, once you enter this information, the money will be transferred to that card. Now, a word of caution. While Pay Anyone is a convenient service, it's essential to be mindful of security. Only share your card details with trusted senders. Avoid clicking on suspicious links or providing information over the phone unless you initiated the contact. A common question that pops up is about fees. Good news! There are no fees associated with receiving money through Pay Anyone, regardless of whether you have a Chime account or not. So, to recap, you can receive money from Chime without a Chime account by using the Pay Anyone feature and linking your debit card. It's a quick and easy process, but remember to prioritize security. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.